In this video, we are going to work on finding a common denominator using a factor tree. So this is what you do when you're looking at the numbers and you can't see things that they would have in common. So we're going to look at the numbers 36 and 45. There's 36 and here's 45. Okay, 36. I can pick any two numbers that multiply to make 36. 6 and 6 comes easily to mind. 4 times 9 also works. 6 is 2 times 3. And when I make factor trees, I like to circle my primes because then I know that I'm done. I don't have any, branches that are missing prime numbers. I've got my primes circled. There's that. 6 is also 2 times 3. When I'm done and I've got everything circled, I'm going to come down here and write these down. 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So I just like to connect. 45, I'm going to do the same thing. 45 is 5 times 9. Okay, 5 is prime, so I'm already done with that one. 9 is 3 times 3. Those are both primes. Okay, so I come here to my 45, and I go 3 times 3 times 5. Okay? All right, so those are my basic numbers, and the nuts and bolts of these numbers. These are the pieces that make up these two numbers. I'm now going to combine them to make a big number. I'm not going to use every single one of those. If I multiplied 36 times 45, that would work, but it would make a giant lot of simplification I had to do at the end, which is not fun. So what I do is I take my first number. It doesn't matter. You can use either one, but I just always pick the one that I did first. So there's my 36. I write that down. Each of these numbers has to be represented over here. So there they are, 2 2s and 2 3s. For 45, I need 2 3s and a 5. I already have 2 3s here. Those guys don't need to show up over there. They're already represented. Okay? So I don't have to write those down again. They're already there. I do need a 5. So there goes my 5. Then my 5 is represented. I should be able to find both of these numbers in their entirety in here. So I have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. There's my 36. And over here I have 3 times 3 times 5. There's my 45. Okay? These numbers both should be represented. Once I've got them both, then I can do the math and multiply these together. If it's a big number, I use my calculator. This one I can kind of do in my head. I've got a 4 here and a 5 here. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 9 is 180. So 180 would be my common denominator for 36 and 45.